Let's go! Today we're unboxing this Google Nest Audio. Got this to mix it up from the Amazon Alexas that I have and the Apple HomePods. Let's check out what Google speakers are like. All right, cool packaging. Decided on this color. It's like a mint color. All right, let's get to the unboxing. Let's see. Actually, here is probably the best spot. Ta-da! Ooh. All right, it's nice texture. Let's see what else is in here. Nice. It's a good texture. The material feels nice. It's like kind of like the Apple HomePod, but yeah, it looks like a really great product from Google. I'm excited to try it out. Looks like a nice speaker. Cool power cord. Yeah, cool color. Everything looks great. Great. Thanks for watching, everyone. See you next time.